Hi guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Lewis, and we are going to be doing a mukbang.
Doms.
I don't know. People say it differently.
Doms bang.
It is. I'm going to be doing a Dominos mukbang because that's Lewis's favourite. He's got to choose. But we're also going to be answering like some questions I found. You don't like these questions.
No,
I typed in couples questions.
Oh, yeah, they don't
look
good.
Came up with these cute couple tag questions.
Oh, no.
I can't find any. So yeah, we're just going to be answering different questions about us whilst we eat our Dominoes because I'm starving. So let's go through. Let's go through.
Food was a condition on me doing this.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Let's go through what we got. So, we got...
Oh,
What?
I didn't realise you got that.
Yeah. Garlic bread pizza, my fave. And then we got... pepperoni dough balls. I already ate one in the car because I was hungry. Too hungry. And then pizza sticks. We've got a pizza each.
That better be mine.
Oh, this is mine!
Oh no.
I got chicken and sweet corn and mushroom.
There's too many vegetables on that pizza.
What did you get?
I think it's the meat fielder in honour of our fantastic performance at the World Cup.
Who wants to ask the first question?
I want to eat the first slice.
Yeah,
that's what I want to do.
Flipping starving, man. What's my favourite band / musician?
Ooh.
I actually said this in my last video.
Oh, come on.
Which just went up. I mean, you know it.
Yeah, but it could be
I have
one of like
three
people.
I have two top favourites.
Yeah.
I always say. You know one.
But I want to know which ones... Yeah, hang on. Can we do musician? Because I know what both they are, but I want the artist, the person from the group. I want to know which one you prefer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I like bands, don't I?
Yeah.
My top two favourite like music people are bands. So what are they?
It will either be the 1975, or it will be Broadside, but it will be the guitarist from Broadside.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be Oliver Baxter.
No, of course I like Oliver Baxter. I like Broadside. I like their music, don't I? But specifically, I like the guitarist.
Insert cringe pic here.
I put that in my last video.
Oh, yeah.
That I met them. But still, insert the pictures.
What is, and I don't know the answer to this question yet, so what is my greatest fear? Yeah?
What?
What am I like scared? Not like something stupid like spiders.
Cobwebs.
Oh wait, no, I am actually pretty scared of cobwebs. I'm going to go with cobwebs actually.
Really?
I'd say that's
alright. I don't
like
know.
cobwebs.
What would be your something that isn't like stupid, like you know, like spiders and stuff like that? I don't know. Not scared of anything really.
But then, to quite a lot of people, every fear is like can be, you know, because it doesn't scare them. Like fear of heights is something that doesn't bother me.
But I'm not scared of heights. But I mean, I don't like it. But like, you do it for your job, so like, you kind of have to be alright with it.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't bother me. But like,
no.
I don't like snakes. I don't understand how people can just like let snakes crawl all over them. That really grosses me out.
Like rats. I hate rats.
Yeah.
Because they remind me of hamsters as well. I hate hamsters. Freaking terrify me.
I do hate hamsters.
They're terrifying.
How?
I don't know what it is. Because they're so small.
But you like guinea pigs?
Yeah, I like guinea pigs.
Right.
They're cute.
They're the same thing.
No, guinea
pigs
pigs are bigger.
No.
Hamsters, they're so small and they're like really fast. They just scare me. It's just stuff that is like really fast and like small and you don't know where it's gonna like go. That's what scares me, I think.
I'm going for the dough.
Okay, I don't know the answer to this one either, but I'm interested to see what you say. What's my weirdest habit?
Sleep talking.
Is that a habit though?
Yeah, because you do it very often. Just lemonade. Orange peels.
Like, That machine will provide with a chance of meatball. Cheeseburger.
I'm not rating the pepperoni.
Well,
I actually kind of wish I got it taken off. I don't know why, it's just not very nice.
it's okay. They're very dry compared to like the cheese ones. I just can't eat the cheese ones.
It's a shame.
Whoa.
You better know this, because I'll be upset if you don't.
Great.
What is my favourite, like, home-cooked meal? And when I say cooked, I don't actually mean cooked. But you should know what I mean by that. Yeah. What's like... What would I have at home? What would be my favourite thing?
Well,
because you know I don't like cooking.
Yeah. What? Is it something you would cook?
No.
Right.
I mean, it's something I could cook.
I think it could be. One.
But I can't cook much, so...
No, you can't cook anything apart from steak. It's not steak.
No,
but
it's
that
not
is
steak.
like your
It's not
favourite. There's like two things I think it could be.
It's like a meal, by the way. It's not like a thing. It's a meal. Well, no, it's like three things that make up a meal.
Right.
One of them you do in... No. One of them you do in the microwave. This is something that I could cook, though.
Microwave.
I can't cook a roast. No, not rice.
What? In the microwave? Chicken wraps?
No.
I don't know. What is it?
Come on, mate. Waffles, fish fingers and beans?
Oh my god!
Jesus.
What a throwback! What do you put in the microwave?
What do you mean throwback? I had them the other night.
What do you cook in the microwave?
The beans!
Oh, you do beans in the microwave?
Yeah, got
that
microwave
is
pots,
disgusting. Oh, microwave beans are disgusting. What? What's my favourite song right now?
Oh crap, what's it called?
You can sing it if you know it.
Oh god. Not the song I was going to say then. I thought it was going to be the new 1975 song.
Oh, okay. Not my favourite at the moment. Not my favourite song.
Oh, it'll be by... Or will it? What's the band name?
I mentioned this in the last video.
I mentioned this 10 seconds ago. What's the band's name?
What's the song called?
Do not know.
How'd it go?
I do not know.
Oh, dude!
I don't know. I can't remember.
Who's in it?
I can't remember.
Come on, who's in the band?
I can't
Why do I
remember
know
his
this
name.
band? I don't know his. Oh, I know his name, but you know who he is.
Yeah, I know who he is.
Well, then,
it's
who
the
is
broadside
he?
guitarist.
His band is
Yeah,
Birthday.
but his name escapes me.
Because it's like Dorian or something. Dorian.
That's why it probably escapes me.
Oh, we didn't even get pudding.
Sorry, you want more food after this?
There's always room.
Right. In spirit of you moaning about no dessert, what is my favourite dessert? If you can name the place.
Krispy Kreme. Oh, chocolate fudge cake.
Yeah.
Irish bistro.
Yes, mate.
In Spain.
Oh, that's good cake.
Oh, it's
Ooh.
good cake, man. What's something you wish I didn't do?
Oh.
Whips out
Hang
his book.
on. Let me go and get the binder. That I didn't wish you'd do.
That you wish I didn't do.
Is that not the same thing that I said?
I don't know, that just sounds really weird.
What did I say?
That I didn't wish you do.
I'm too tired to realise if that's right or not.
But you know what I mean.
What do I...
I must be
I don't know!
a very good person if you can't
Yeah,
think
you're
of
very
anything.
nothing. You're the best.
Oh my god, there's something on my top! Oh. Fuck. Why can't I wear anything white, man?
That's one annoying thing I wish you could
Oh
stop
my
doing.
God.
Getting stuff on your clothes. Shocking. Oh, can we do the Desert Island Discs.
What? What is that?
It's like, I think it's 3 albums. It's like, what would you take with you to a desert island?
Oh.
You can't take anything useful. I think it's, you can take 3 albums, a luxury item, and 1 book.
3 albums?
Yeah. 3 albums, I think that's what it is.
Wow. 3 albums.
Yeah. You can take 3 albums, 1 luxury item, but it can't be anything useful. So it can't be like a knife or a rope or something.
Okay.
And a book.
I'm really confused.
Alright, let's do 2 luxury items instead then.
Okay. Right. Albums. I would take...
No, I'm not letting you let that out. Next one. Next album.
Paradise by Broadside. I'll probably take the first 1975 album. I like
The
that
self-titled one.
Yeah. That one.
I think I know what you'd take.
I don't know. Maybe Peace and Panic.
Really? I thought it'd be Around the World and Back.
I was going to say that, you know. One of them, I can't choose which one.
You've got to choose.
Actually,
it's the
I
game.
think Peace and Panic. I would
Peace
do.
and the Panic.
Yeah, I would. Cracking album, that is.
I mean, it's a cracking album.
Cracking.
Cracking.
Right,
Cracking.
luxury items.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a bit confused of like what the luxury item would be. Well, I know what it would be.
Well, yeah, it's like
I can't think of
anything.
one that isn't.
But
You know?
you can't take something useful.
But anything could be useful.
Well, no, you couldn't. Why would taking a piano be useful?
Okay. Yeah.
That wouldn't be useful, would it? It'd just be luxury.
I would take. You're gonna hate me for this.
Oh, God.
Jeffree Star Thirsty palette.
Why?
Because if I get bored.
But how are you going to do your makeup? Or is it there a mirror in the thing?
Yeah, there's a mirror.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
It's a boring answer, really.
If I get bored. Well, what would you take?
I don't know. I don't know.
Exactly.
Why I said it was boring. What would I take? I'd take a big bag of Skittles. No, you can't take luxury. It can't be food.
Oh my god. See, like, what would you take? Oh yeah, that's useful.
I'd probably take... Can I take my dog? Because he's not useful.
Yeah, that's a good one. I'll take... No, I don't want that.
Yeah.
It's ugly.
It's too ugly. If a ship came by, they wouldn't save you.
I'm like, oh. Oh, he's ugly.
I don't know what luxury item I'd take. I know what albums I'd take.
I don't know.
I'd take what separates me from you, obviously. Obviously. I would take The Things I Can't Change, the Story So Far album. And probably Wishful Thinking, Neck Deep. I think that would be... That'd sort me. It's enough of a mix for me as well.
I can't eat anymore. I'm so full.
I'll keep eating for the both of us.
Well, I can like nibble. Yeah.
If you could eat any other food right now, what would it be? Chocolate!
Chocolate fudge cake. That would just finish me off nicely, you know. Doesn't even have to be chocolate fudge cake. Could even be that chocolate vegan cake. Vegan chocolate.
Oh, that was good.
Literally. Like,
Oh, that was
some
good.
Good chocolate cake. None of that dry shite. Just some good chocolate cake. Cake. I love cake. Cake. I love cake. Alright. Here's
Okay.
one. What's my nickname? But from what does my mum call me? She's got loads of nicknames.
Yeah, hang on.
But like, just name some. If you know any, just name them.
Can I do my favourite one?
Yeah.
Denny.
No, that's not my mum.
I know, it's Jose.
Yeah. What are they?
Jovi. Well, that might
That's
be
Josie! Obviously. Oh wow, you don't know then.
I think I probably know the ones of
There's like a
Josie
really weird
more.
one, yeah. There's a really weird one that has nothing to do with my name at all. You'll
Why not?
remember it when I say it.
What is it?
Dewdrop.
Oh, yeah.
Or
Yeah, that's
Scrappy.
bare cringe. Scrappy!
Scrappy. My mum used to call me Scrappy because Megan's Scooby.
What's Josie?
Right. This is a bit of a trick question. Because like
No,
right,
it's not fair. I'm not answering.
No, it's
No.
if I actually wanted to live somewhere else in the world, which I don't want to live anywhere else.
Oh,
Full
you're going to say a
time.
trick question.
Where would it be? If I
Right.
actually did, where
Well, you
would
want
it
me to
be?
say Australia?
No.
Do you not?
No, I haven't actually thought of where I want to live.
Been there.
No, there's quite a few places. Australia would be one of them. I could probably live. It's just I just can't live somewhere full time like that isn't England. I couldn't picture it. But Australia would be one. Okay, let's say for a year. If I was going to move somewhere for a year,
Ooh.
where would it be?
Can we travel back in time and ask me this question?
What do you mean?
Well, can I say Bali instead of
Yeah.
Thailand?
Yeah, I wouldn't want to live in Thailand. I've never been there yet.
Where would you want to live then?
I'd live in Bali for a year because I've been there. I know what.
But
Bali's like.
where's your number one place?
Probably
I've
either.
just been like presenting the
Yeah.
girlfriend to the camera for like 30 seconds.
No, it'd probably be like Australia or America. I just couldn't live somewhere that they like spoke not English, you know.
Yeah, but what if you learned their language?
Yeah, obviously you would pick it up. But like I could live in Bali for a year because I'm on holiday to Australia. It's only like a few hours paid,
We
right?
could just live there for about a tenner a year. It's going to be too easy. Well, it's my favourite fictional character.
Right. Yeah.
It's not fair.
Right, okay, I got a good one actually. In terms of not only just like the actual people or the music we heard, but just the overall, so like crowd and like just the atmosphere and the songs, who do you think was my favourite people that we saw
Your
at Slam
favourite?
Dunk? Yeah. I think you'd be surprised. In terms of like
Ooh.
a general like crowd, the atmosphere.
I know what you're going to say.
people.
Low on Atlantis.
Yes.
Yes! Yes, Jenny!
100%.
Yeah, it was a very good crowd.
Oh, amazing. It was so good. Wish we would have gone to see them.
I wish I had more drinks so I could down a beer with Mike D.
Yeah, I know.
That would have been great.
Right, I think we're about full up. So, that is the end of the mukbang. Mukbang?
I think it's mukbang.
I think it's mukbang. I hear more people say mukbang.
I hope it's mukbang.
It just feels weird to say mukbang, you know? And mukbang.
Well, yeah.
They both just feel weird to say. That is the end of my very first mukbang with Smelly Lewis.
I'm not the smelly one.
Like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Be sure to go over to my Musical.ly if you would like to follow me on there.
There's bare views.
Yeah.
Bare views. I don't know why, there's bare views.
And you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.